Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I want to show you guys how to draw a Minecraft version of Godzilla. So to begin with this, let's start with his nose. So starting right here, I'm going to draw a square shape right about here. Now, starting right here at this top corner, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of goes down a little bit at an angle. And then I'm going to draw a line that just kind of goes straight across, and then they just connect. Now, right underneath here, I'm going to draw two lines that just kind of go in a little bit, and then they're just going to connect. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes over, and then I'm just going to go up like this for the mouth. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes up. It's going to come over, then it's going to go down, and then connect right to here. Then I just want to draw a line that goes down like this at an angle, then straight down, and then connect right there. And that's going to just kind of form the head. Now, starting right here underneath the mouth, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of goes down. Then it's going to go over. And then I'm just going to go up like this. Now, I want to draw the first arm out here. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve out. Then it's going to go down, and then it's just going to kind of curve back. I want to make a little square shape right here at the end. And then I'm just going to make a little bit of a curved line that just kind of goes back. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of goes down. And then I'm going to kind of curve this one out, go down, and then just connect them with another curve. Then I'm going to put a little square shape at the end here. And then I'm going to make a little line that goes out, and then it's just going to curve down here for the hand, or for the arm, I should say. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that goes out and then down. Then I'm going to go down here, and then just connect it. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of goes down. It's going to go over and then come back up. Then I'm going to make a little line that goes over and then just goes straight up like this. Then right here, I'm going to draw a little line that goes down, over, and then up. And then make a little line that goes up and then comes straight up like this for the legs. Now for the tail, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to go down like this. I'm going to just make a little line down, and then I'm going to curve it back up. Okay, now for some details. So starting on the nose, I'm just going to make two little square shapes for the nostrils. And then I'm just going to make a little line that just goes right along here. And then I'm just going to add some little square teeth underneath here. Then right here, I'm going to make a little rectangle shape. And then I'm going to draw a line that goes down, and then a line that just kind of goes straight across and then up for the eye. And then right here, I'm going to draw a line down and then just color this in for the pupil. Then right over here, we won't really see the other eye, so we'll just kind of leave it blank there. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes up and then over, then up and over again. Then I'm going to go down and over, and then down again for the spikes. Then I'm going to draw a line that goes up and over, up and over here, just to add a little bit of a detail, kind of three-dimensional look. Then I'm going to do another one back here. I'm going to go out and down again, and then I'm just going to go in like this and end it. I'm going to do another one right here. We'll go out and then down, out, down again. Then we'll go in, down, and then in for another spike. Then starting here, I'll draw another one and go up and over again, down and down, just for another spike. Then right here, we'll make a line that goes up and over, and then up and over. Now, right here on his body, I'm going to draw a line that goes down here, and then a line that goes down here. And then I'm just going to make some straight lines across, just to show that his body is kind of plated on the front. And then right here, I'm going to make a little line that goes down here, and then we'll add a few more of these little lines, just to show that it kind of continues down. Then I'm going to make a couple little rectangle shapes for some toes on each foot. Put 3 on each one. And then right here on the arm, I'm going to draw a little line that goes down, each one like this. And then I'm going to add a couple more little lines just to show that there's a little bit of like texture, maybe some more little plates on there. Then the final thing I want to do is I'm just going to add some little curved lines right around here. And this is just going to kind of show like some scales, a little bit of texture on his body. So you're just going to kind of put these all over just for these kind of little scale patterns. Kind of put them all along the body. I'm going to put some on the legs here, put some over here on the inside of the legs. And then you definitely want to put some on the tails as well, or the tail I should say. And there you go, there is your drawing of a Minecraft Godzilla. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you guys enjoyed.